Example 1, part B, we're now going to solve the exact same question, but now it's going to be greater than 0. So the graph's already drawn for us. We don't need to redraw that or complete the square again. But if you've got greater than 0, if it's larger than 0, that means we're going to look above the x-axis. So let's make a note about that. So you're going to look above the x-axis. Because it has these inequality signs, that means it includes the x-intercepts. So we'll say and includes x-intercepts. So this would be everything to the left of -1. So my solution would be x is less than or equal to -1, or everything to the right of 3, because this arrow continues up. And again, it is all real numbers. So it's the left side and the right side. Let's look at C. For C, everything's the same as it was in A, except that it doesn't include the inequality sign. So again, this is less than. So if you're looking at the less than, or the equation itself is less than 0, it's all based on where that 0 is. You're going to look below the x-axis again. The only thing is now it does not include x-intercepts because it says it's everything below the x-axis but not equal to. So it's not equal to the x values. So it's not actually equal to what we would call the roots. So it's the same answers we have here, except that we're using less than symbols without the equal to signs. So then if we look at D, we're going to be in a similar situation as we were in B. It's the same thing except does not include, so a greater than 0, anything greater than 0 would be above the x-axis. And so this does not include x-intercepts. So my answer is going to be x such that, and again, above would be the left-hand side here, or the right-hand side, so greater than 3. So it's the same answer as B, except that it does not have the equal to signs because it does not actually include the 2 x-intercepts. So moving forward, if you're asked to graph it accurately, you want to, of course, complete the square and get your vertex. But the vertex was never part of my answer. So sometimes a shortcut we will take if we're just quickly looking for the solution is as just picturing where the x-intercepts are. And then, of course, you need to know if the graph opened up or down and just drawing a quick sketch of that to visualize if the graph's below or above the x-axis and where those critical x-intercepts are.